Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Titanium Education Institute of Spoken English Language. I am Dakshata Jala back with one more GD video. And this time we are recording the GD on the demand of our viewers. And the topic is early bird versus night owl. Before starting the GD, I'll request to our viewers that if you haven't pressed the bell icons, then please press all the bell icons for the new notification and updates. As you all know, we are also a learner. If you think we have done any mistake in our GD, then please write down that mistake in the comment section. And we have two brilliant spokesperson between us. One side Mr. Yuvraj is here, another side Mr. Harsh is here. They both will express their points, exchange their questions. I'll request to our viewers, if you guys have any points, any creative points, any suggestion, any question from their stuff, please mention it in the comment section. They will answer it laterwards. So who is going to begin the GD?
Hello everyone, I am Yuvraj Patel and I am favoring early birds. My first point says that we all have been hearing since childhood that getting up early in the morning is good for health because the level of pollution is low in the morning time, so you will get fresh air and pure environment. So it's best time for you to do walking, exercise, yoga, pranayama and meditation. All those things are beneficial to stay fit and stay healthy. My second point shows that according to a research, it shows that students who study early in the morning remember things for a longer time and learn quickly because their mind completely fresh and the body is relaxed. So it's the best time for study. Thank you. If you have any query, then please ask.
Okay, so he has mentioned 2 points. One is of healthier life and second one is of that students learn the things and they remember it for a longer period of time. So you have any counter question regarding that?
Yes, I have one question. First of all, I appreciate you. You spoke very well. And my first question is, don't you think that in night also people get fresh air and pure environment?
Yeah, you have nice question, sir. But in the night time, oxygen level is very low in comparison to the daytime. So it's a good to do exercise and walking in the morning time because you will get fresh air and you will get more oxygen.
And second question is, what about disturbance? Generally, in morning, more disturbance are happening, and students can study properly in the night, and people can do their work properly in the night because there is absence of disturbance.
Yeah, good question. But in morning time also you can study without any disturbance. There is no disturbance if you wake up early in the morning. And earlier I mentioned that the morning time is the best time for study, and you won't get any health issues also. So it's the best time for doing study in the morning.
Okay. So you have mentioned a very nice points or very productive points. Now it's right time to hear your perspective also. So you are favoring night owls.
Yes.
Please mention your points.
Doubts. So my first point is productivity. Most of the people prefer night for doing their work because people become more productive in night time as compared to daytime. And my second point is no kind of disturbance. In night we said we see almost no kind of disturbances happen, so that people can do their work more efficiently, and many of creative ideas are come in mind also in night time because there is absence of disturbance. And if you have any question, please ask me.
Okay, before that I want to ask you something. You said about the disturbance. So in what aspects you want to say about the disturbance? Like for the students you are asking it about, or for the employers who are working in their offices? You are mentioning the point of disturbance for the students, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you have any question?
Yeah. You spoke very well, sir. But I would like to ask you a question. Morning time is a healthier time, right? So don't you think the people who stay late in the night may face health issues?
I don't think so because you can do work at any time. On what time you feel comfortable to do their work. It's not the compulsion of people to do their work in night. They have their own choice to work. They have interest to do work in night. And if you have some kind of interest in some work, then there is less chance of becoming unhealthy or unfit.
Yes. And the next?
Yeah, nice. I have another question. My next question is, we all knows that schools and offices are run in the morning time, and if students and employees will stay late in the night, then how will they focus on their schools and offices?
Just for students, it is a problem, but not for office workers. They choose night time on their own decision. And as we all know that when exams are coming, students stay awake whole night for studying.
Anything else? Okay, so nice points mentioned by both of you. He mentioned the very good point that the life is healthier if we if we wake up early, and he also mentioned a very good point that night owls are more creative and they are more productive, right? So it's right time to conclude the topic. So if we conclude the topic, then yes, a very old saying that early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise, right? So yes, it's good to be an early bird, because as he mentioned the point that the schools run in the morning time, the offices time are morning time, and you get a pure environment, healthy environment. But somewhere I agree with Harsh points also that night owls are also very creative, very productive. Yes, there is less disturbance. It is a time like non-working activities, so there is no work at all. So there is less disturbance in the night time, and it is also a very good saying that the darker the night, the brighter the stars are. So yes, you both mentioned a very nice points. I appreciate your points, and I'll request to our viewers, if you guys have any question regarding their stuffs, please mention it in the comment section. And if you guys have any new topic regarding you want us to record GD on, then please write it down that also in the comment section. And thank you so much. It was a healthy discussion with you guys, and I'll request to our viewers, please give the genuine feedback, honest feedback, as you always give. Thank you so much, and we'll be back with one more GD video very soon. Thank you so much. Thank you guys.
Thank you.